Welcome to Agarwal Classes, where quality education meets smart technology. In this video, let us explore all the powerful features of the Agarwal Classes app. To begin with, download the Agarwal Classes app from the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. For iPhone users, it is also available on the App Store. Prefer accessing it on a computer? No problem. Simply log in through our web portal. Now let us walk through the app on an Android device. Once downloaded, open the Agarwal Classes app. Enter the login ID and password provided by the institute. Ensure the credentials are correct, and then tap Login. Upon logging in, the app will request notification access. Click Allow to stay updated with the latest announcements. You will now land on your dashboard, your learning command center. The first and most important feature is live classes. Under the live section, head over to today's classes to find your scheduled sessions for the day. Simply click Join, and you will be redirected to the Zoom app, so make sure Zoom is already installed on your device. Tap Open, and you will automatically enter the live class. You can turn on your video, unmute to ask questions, and interact using the chat box, making the online experience as engaging as offline sessions. Next, let us move on to the study section. Here, you will find important notes and recorded video lectures. As you know, every live class is recorded and uploaded directly to your account. So whether you want to revise a concept or rewatch a session, just head to the Study tab. You will see subjects like Maths and Science. Select your subject and view a list of chapters. For example, in Chapter 1 Number System, you can access both notes and video recordings. Even the DPPs you receive during offline classes are uploaded here daily, so you never miss out, even if something gets misplaced. Tap on any note to view the PDF, or access videos to revisit the lectures. Everything is organized clearly, chapter by chapter. Now let us explore the test section. Here, you will find all your upcoming and attempted tests. You can take both objective and subjective tests online whenever they are scheduled, right from the app. Next is the fees section. Here, you can easily view the installments you have paid, the due amount, and stay on top of your payment schedule. The exam report section provides detailed insights into your academic progress, including your test history and scores. The timetable section helps you manage your time efficiently. View your daily schedule, class timings, mode of delivery, and even upcoming holidays, all in one place. Moving on to social links, stay connected with us on every platform. Tap on the WhatsApp icon to directly message us with any concerns or doubts. Click on the Instagram icon to visit and follow our page for daily updates. You can access our official website with just one tap. Similarly, tap the YouTube icon to subscribe to our channel and never miss any important video updates or class-related content. These are all the key features and functions of the Agarwal Classes app, designed exclusively for students like you. Every feature is thoughtfully created to bridge the gap between offline and online learning, helping you stay equally connected no matter where you are. Welcome to the future of learning. Welcome to Agarwal Classes.